Hello everyone. So in this video we'll be looking on to another problem in pointers. So this is the definition of a pointer. So it basically stores a reference of a variable along with its address and its particular value. Yeah. So function description is given here is to complete the update function in the editor below. Update has the following parameters. So it has two parameters, a and b, along with its address as a pointer. So we need to return the addition and the absolute difference between them. So it will contain two integers a and b separated by a new line. So as you can see here, these are the functions we need to write. So we have to do it. It is given as a pointer over here. So we need to add those. Yeah. So it should be. So let me take sum and difference. So sum will be star a plus star b, and the difference will be absolute of it's the standard of absolute of star a minus star b. So I'm gonna return both. Return sum comma difference. Should not return value since it is void. Yeah, no issues with it. So anyway, it will be returned by its own. Use of undeclared identifier std. Right. I'll just take it as using namespace std, and now I'll remove it. Just run the code. So it's giving a compilation error as apps was not declared in this scope. Okay, what's the issue? So let me take the help of ChatGPT for it. Control C, paste it here. Okay, in the corrected version, after calculating sum and difference in the update function, we update the values pointed to using the dereference operator. So we should use dereference operator to update the values of sum and difference. Okay, that's what we needed to do. So we're just gonna do that. Let star a be the sum, let star b be the difference of it. And one more thing is the standard library for the absolute. Yeah, so we missed that. So the absolute method has not been imported here, so I'm gonna include that. Include std li b h. submit the code. So all the test cases have been passed. Move on to next challenge. So there are a lot of libraries that has been imported in this case. So it's the problem of an array. So in this problem I'll be given an array of n integers. We have to print the integers in the reverse order. So array can be in the range of 1000 or 10,000. So sample input is 4. I'm going to iterate them and print them in the reverse order. In this, if the input is 1432, we're going to output it as 2341 as it is. So to do that, what we are going to do is, I'm going to assign n for the number of integers and the array name. Let me take array name as a, which in the form of n. Let it be of 10,000. So I need to consider for loop. I need to take for loop, and I will initialize the index starts from 0, or let it not start from 0, let it start from n. So I should be greater than or equal to 0, go till the first index and let it decrement. So C out A of I. The output is 0. Okay. Yeah. One thing what I missed here is I did not take the input from the user. So to do that, so I'm taking C for n. So this will get me the number of number of integers that I will be needed to add to the array. So to get those actual values, I'm using the for loop. So int, let it be j equal to 0, and j is lesser than or equal to n, and j plus plus. I'm gonna see a of j. So this is gonna get me the values of them. So if I run it now, so it's taking another one value or another one index. So I'm gonna just write it as lesser than n. So it's gonna do the work, and when the printing out, I'll just add a space to each and every values that I print out. So it's still taking a 0 here. We take it as 1, lesser than equal to n, and increment it. Okay, the problem is that let it be greater than 0. So now it will work. Yeah, so now the test cases have been passed. I submit the code, and yeah, so as you can see, all the test cases have been passed over here.